I'm over at my mom's house. I'm gonna talk about the furnaces for a couple minutes here. So you probably don't know, my mom passed away right before earlier this year before I started this channel, and we've got the house up for sale. Came over here a couple days ago, found out the heat had gone out. And me and my brother have been working on it, trying to figure out what's wrong with it. We were able to turned out to be the thermostat, and blower was trying to go out. But if you haven't got a wood stove or alternate the heat in your house, you might want to make sure you take care of maintenance on your furnace and know how to repair it if it should go out. We're hoping we got the house up for sale here, my mom's house up for sale. We're hoping to be able to close on that. We got a buyer. We're hoping to be able to close in a couple of weeks on it. But just make sure, like I said, if you got, keep using natural gas furnace, and make sure you know how to work it and do basic maintenance and repairs on it if it should go out. You don't have a wood stove or alternate way of heating your house. It's still making noise. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and end this. Probably put some WD-40 on the fan there. I think the fan's making noise again.